Hey everyone! Today we are going to draw Easter eggs. First, I will draw the outline of my eggs, and then I will add some patterns on them that we will color later. You can find some great drawing materials in the video description. Well done! In the background, I will draw a rustic fence so our eggs won't roll away. The eggs are sitting on fresh spring grass. How is it going for you? Wonderful. At home, you can also color real eggs using regular markers. It is a great family activity. Please subscribe and see you next time.